You probably think of your goldfish as a simple, even boring pet, just a living decoration swimming in endless circles. But what if I told you that science is just now uncovering a world of mysteries swimming in that very bowl? These common pets have abilities that are baffling researchers and challenging everything we thought we knew. So, get ready to discover 7 incredible truths about goldfish that scientists are still working to understand. You'll never look at your finned friend the same way again. Let's kick things off by shattering the biggest myth of all: the 3-second memory. The idea that a goldfish instantly forgets everything is completely, utterly false. In reality, scientists have known for decades that goldfish have impressive memories, capable of recalling information for weeks, months, or even years. They can be trained to navigate mazes, pull levers for food, and remember how to escape a net months after learning. But here's where it gets fascinating. How do they do it? Goldfish don't have a hippocampus, which is the brain region mammals use for memory. They have a similar structure called the pancreas, but scientists are still exploring exactly which parts are responsible for memory and how they all work together. Recent studies found that different parts of the pallium are involved, proving the goldfish brain is far more complex than we ever gave it credit for. And it's not just memory that's impressive. It's their incredible ability to navigate. You might think a fish just swims around without a plan, but a 2022 study revealed something amazing. Goldfish can estimate distance by tracking how objects in their environment appear to move, a skill known as optic flow. This allows them to build a detailed mental map of their surroundings with a sophistication once thought to be reserved for land animals. This discovery has made the humble goldfish a key model for understanding how navigation skills evolved in all vertebrates, including us. Next up, your goldfish might be better at recognizing things than you are. Researchers have found that goldfish possess object constancy, the ability to recognize something even when they see it from a different angle. In one mind-blowing study, goldfish were able to reliably tell the difference between photos of plastic turtles and plastic frogs. This isn't just simple recognition. It's a sign of higher visual processing that we're only just beginning to appreciate in fish. What's truly puzzling is the difference between individual goldfish. When learning to navigate mazes, they don't just memorize a route. They use environmental cues to form genuine cognitive maps. But some goldfish are bold and learn quickly, while others are more cautious and strategic, appearing to weigh their options. This variability suggests a level of cognitive complexity and individuality that scientists are still working to fully understand, but nothing demonstrates their shocking intelligence quite like this. In a wild 2022 experiment, scientists at Ben Gurion University in Israel literally taught goldfish how to drive. They created a fish-operated vehicle, or FOV, tank of water on a motorized platform that moved in whatever direction the fish swam. The goldfish quickly learned to navigate the vehicle across a room to reach a target for a food reward. They proved they could operate outside of their natural water environment, showing a stunning ability to adapt and process spatial information in a completely alien world. Moving from brain to body, another secret lies in their bizarre shapes. Centuries of selective breeding have created goldfish with extreme features like twin tails, bubble eyes, and shortened bodies. While scientists have linked some of these traits to specific gene mutations, the full developmental pathways are still being mapped out. What remains a puzzle is how these traits, which often cause severe health problems like spinal curvature and buoyancy issues, became so pronounced. We've engineered these fish for aesthetics, but in doing so, we've created a biological curiosity. And the biggest secret of all is locked away in their DNA. A distant ancestor of the goldfish underwent a rare event called a whole genome duplication. This means today's goldfish have 4 sets of chromosomes instead of the usual 2. Essentially, they were given an extra copy of their entire genetic instruction manual. This genetic complexity has allowed for an incredible variety of shapes and colors to emerge. But it also makes it incredibly difficult for scientists to unravel how specific genes create different traits. The goldfish genome is a complicated frontier that could hold the key to many of their other secrets. From having memories that can last for months to literally learning how to drive a car on land, the goldfish is so much more than a simple starter pet. It's a biological enigma packed with cognitive and genetic secrets that scientists are still working tirelessly to decode. What we know for sure is that there is a vast world of intelligence and complexity hiding just beneath the surface of the water. What do you think is the most surprising goldfish secret? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about the mysteries of the animal kingdom, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more.